Terminal sound functions enable two-way voice GSM communication of driver and dispatcher. Electrode speakers and dynamic speakers with the following features can be used. Connection of sound equipment depending on terminal version differs. For GPS, GPS GLONASS and Iridium versions, speaker and loudspeaker are connected via special contacts of main socket. Note that for mutual influence and parasite distortion decrease, you need to connect cable screens to A, G and D contact. For terminals version 5, depending on modification, use different connection methods. For version 5.02, use the same jacks 3.5 stereo. Don't use sockets 3.5 mono. For versions 5.011 and 5.1, use KMC25 press to talk. Separate connection of dynamic speaker and speaker is available. Dynamic speaker can have jack 2.5 stereo or jack 2.5 mono. Note that ground for speaker connection is taken from dynamic speaker jack. Set equipment in remote configurator. Go to Settings tab, Sound, and specify the following parameters. Calls before auto answer parameter determines the number of calls before auto answer. Press to talk switch KMC25 parameter determines press to talk mode. By ticking, dynamic speaker will beep by incoming call. Press the button once and answer. Switch between dynamic speaker and speaker of push to talk is made by pressing the button. If button is pressed, speaker is on, if not, dynamic speaker. Untick on Sound tab in configurator if you use speaker or dynamic speaker. For sound volume setting, use these scales. Last parameter is used by signaling activation or sending call request command and determines the number of calls before its breaking. Press Apply button. This is the way how to connect sound equipment to Galileosky terminals.